When you woke up this morning with questions, worries, and silent prayers, this promise is for you. Isaiah chapter 60, verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Life doesn't always move the way we expect. Sometimes dreams delayed. Sometimes doors stay closed longer than we hope. Sometimes waiting feels heavier than the struggle itself. But God is not slow. God is not absent. God is not delayed. He sees what you carry. He sees what you endured. He understands. Listen to the prayers you whisper when no one is listening. Gentle reminder, what feels delay is often a divine preparation. You are not behind in life. You are not forgotten in your journey. You are exactly where God meets you. Not your time, not the world's time, but God's perfect time. He will make it happen. Move forward, knowing God's truth. Have a blessed, God filled morning. God bless you.